Other happenings this year was the fact that there was a new Italian DOC awarded in the year 2020. So was that new DOC? Was it Barbera di Alba? Was it Est Est Est? Was it Prosecco Rosé? Or was it Vinsanto del Chianti? So which of those wines is now an official DOC? A great award to have. And I see some answers coming through. Some of you look like you may know what this is. Whatever it is, I know I'll be drinking some of this in the near future.
Well, a shout out to the Italians who are joining us today. And then everyone followed suit with their answer. So
there you go.
We have overall C as the answer.
And indeed it is C, Prosecco Rosé. That officially became a DOC this year. And already, as you can see in this Prosecco here from Bisol, it's already on the market. I mean, this has been known for a number of, at least for the last year or so, that this was going to be official. And now they can release it under the DOC designation, which is a great thing. I mean, Prosecco is on fire right now, and I'm sure Prosecco Rosé will do just as well. Speaking of sparkling wines, which of these new rosé sparkling wines was released in the year 2020? Was it Champagne Fleur de Miraval Rosé? Was it J. Lorenz Cremant de Limoux Rosé? Roeder Estate Le Hermitage Rosé? Or the Freixenet Cordon Rosato Cava from Spain? Everybody loves sparkling rosé, and which one of those is brand new as of this year? And maybe you have to go get your hands on. Do you have any rosé in your fridge for the holidays, Christian?
I do. I'm a huge Boulanger fan, so I have some Grand Année rosé waiting for me.
I'm waiting for my invite.
As soon as COVID's over, you can come on over.
I'll BYOB. I'll bring, or BOYG. I'll bring my own glass.
Okay. Well, right. In the meantime, we've had everyone vote, and it's pretty much unanimous that they chose D, Freixenet.
Well, I think we stumped them again. It is the Champagne Fleur de Miraval. So this is the same as the ownership of Miraval. That is Angelina Jolie and her ex-husband. So this is a rosé champagne that they have now debuted this year, and it retails in the U.S. for around the low price of about $300 a bottle.